Hey, welcome back to the channel. So I just wanted to make a video of the review for the test that we had in case you need to review later or review for it. Um, so the first examples were just reviewing on how to rewrite matrices from a system of equations. Sorry. So all the matrices need to follow the standard form of the letters being in alphabetical order. So X, Y, Z, and then the constant at the end after the equal sign. So the first equation, xyz equals a number, it's already in order, so you just need to put the numbers 1, 1, 1, 2. Again, just the coefficients 1, 1, 1, 2. The second one is xyz equals a number, so it's also already in order, so you just write 2, 2, 2, 4. The last equation is negative 3x, negative 3y, negative 3z equals a number. So x, y, z equals a number. It's already in order. So you just write negative 3, negative 3, negative 3, negative 6. And there will be a question that will simply just ask you if you can know how to write an augmented matrix, which is this. So hopefully you have that skill already. There will also be a question where you have to show that you know how to solve using matrices. So using the calculator, can you solve this? So all you have to do is go to your calculator and type RREF or go to menu and then right here matrix and number 5 reduce row Achillian form. Once you type RREF, make sure that the link is inside the parentheses, the I don't even know the cursor. I'm assuming that's what it's called. My apologies, I'm not a tech savvy person. So then after that, we press the symbol next to 9 and we go to matrices right here in the middle where it's a 3 by 3. Select that symbol, create the matrix that we have right here, which is a 3 by 4. So number of rows, 3. Actually, I wrote 3 by 3 accidentally, so let me do 3 by 4 again. I'm going to press tab, number 4, enter, and there, 3 by 4. So you're going to press 1, 1, 1 all across, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4. Negative 3, negative 3, negative 3, negative 6. When I press enter, I get this as an answer. So you always check for the diagonal 1, 1, 1. If you don't have it, that means you have a special answer, which either is no solution or infinite solutions. In this case, we don't have 1, 1, 1 all the way across. So you do have to consider that is one of those special solutions. So you have 0, 0, 0, 0 all the way across. Then you have to interpret this as x, y, z equals a number. So x, y, z are zeros, meaning there's nothing, and there's nothing here, which means on the left side of the equal sign, we have 0. There's nothing. On the right side, we do have a number, which is 0. So you just write it down. And then you ask yourself if this is true or false. Is 0 equals 0? The answer is yes, it's true. So because it's true, you are writing that this is infinite solutions. If you have an answer that is 0 equals a number, that is false. 0 does not equal another number. That means you have no solutions for the system. All right, so let's try the next example. We look for it to be in order of x, y, z. And then if it's not, you just kind of move it to the other side where it belongs. So x is there, so we write 3. Y is not on the left side, it's on the right side. So if this 3 belongs on the other side, we're going to end up subtracting 3y on both sides. And we end up writing negative 3. And then the z is there, so we put a 1. On the right side, we already have the y removed and canceled, so we just have 10. Now, just for shortcut purposes, anytime you move a term to the other side of the equal sign, it technically becomes inverse of what it was. So over here was a positive 3, and now it's going to be a negative 3 on the other side. So just for a shortcut, future reference, You don't have to do all these annotations. On the second equation, we have 3x, 2y, a number equals a z. So that means that the 2 and the z need to switch. When they switch, they're going to switch signs as well. So that means that positive 2 is going to be a negative 2 on the right side. That positive 3 is going to be a negative 3 on the left side. And then x is a positive 3 and y is a positive 2. So that is how you can apply the shortcut. On the last equation, we notice that we don't have a y value. So for y, we're going to put 0 because there's no y value. X and z are on the left side already, so we're just going to place those where they go. Negative 3 for x, 1 for z, and then negative 2 for the number. So now that is the augmented matrix. Let's now solve it using the calculator. So RREF, parentheses, matrix, 3 by 4. And we put 3, negative 3, 1, 10, 3, 2, negative 3, negative 2, negative 3, 0, 1, negative 2. And according to this, the answer is diagonally 1, 1, 1. So we do have a solution here. When your matrix is 1, 1, 1 diagonally, your answer is on this right side right here as 0, negative 4, negative 2. So keep in mind that it's x, y, z. That means 1x equals 0. And then this second one is 1y equals negative 4. And then the last one is 1z equals negative 2. So that will be your solution right here, 0, negative 4, negative 2. All right, so that is the review on matrices.